There are few things as heartbreaking for a fisherman or fisherwoman than to lose a big fish. Oh no! Especially if it's a once-in-a-lifetime trophy-sized fish. What's even more heartbreaking, however, is to lose that fish because you attached your terminal tackle to your line with a faulty or inferior knot.
No!
In this 5-part video series, I'll be sharing with you 5 trustworthy fishing knots that are fast and easy to tie, and that you can use for a wide variety of applications. This video is brought to you by the Hunting for God, Fishing for the Lord series of books. Come along on an unforgettable adventure for the soul. Learn more and order your copies today at Amazon.com by clicking on the link in the video description below or by visiting 3minutesoutdoors.com. In this first video in the series, we'll take a look at the fisherman's knot, which is also commonly referred to as the improved clinch knot. This is one of the most popular knots used by fishermen all over the world. It's fast and easy to tie, and it's proven to be a reliable knot for connecting a fly, lure, hook, or any other terminal tackle to your main line. Okay, so here's a demonstration on how to tie the fisherman's knot. For this example, I'm using a pretty good sized stainless steel hook, just so you can see what I'm doing. And instead of using a piece of monofilament, I'm using a piece of red nylon. This is actually bow fishing rope. Again, just so you can see what I'm doing here for demonstration purposes. So step number 1 is to run the loose end, or what's often referred to in knot tying as the tag end, of your line through the eye of whatever it is you intend to tie on, like so. For the next step, you just want to pinch together the tag end and your main line in your other hand, and give your line about 4 twists. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after I twist my line, I've got a pretty good sized loop there at the eye of my hook. And the next step is to run the tag end of your line through that loop. Alright, so I've run the tag end of my line through that loop, and as you can see now, I've also made another loop in doing so. So I'm going to take my tag end over here and run that through this loop right here now. Then I'm grabbing my tag end, and I'm going to secure the knot down to the eyelet. And if you get your line wet before you secure it like this, it kind of helps the whole thing slide down to the base. Make sure it's all pulled tight. Cut off the excess. And bingo, you have got the fisherman's knot, otherwise referred to as the improved clinch knot. So there you have it, my friends. That's a demonstration of how to tie the fisherman's knot, otherwise known as the improved clinch knot. In the next episode, we'll take a look at the palomar knot, so be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out. And check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com. And finally, if you'd like to support this channel, click on the link in the video description below to find out more.